Hello, welcome to the first section of this video course. Ready, steady, go. In this section, we will first install Go on our machine and then start with a simple program to display Hello World, as we usually do in other languages. Then we will learn about flow controls, functions, arrays, slices, and maps. Then we will move on to explore about pointers, structures, and interfaces. We will also dive into testing and TDD in Go. We will end this section with Go libraries and Go get tools. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with installing Go. In this video, we learn how to install Go on different operating systems like Linux, Windows, etc. Also, we will see how to set the workplace. Any Go installation needs two basic things: the binaries of the language somewhere on your disk and a Go path in your system, where the projects and the projects that you download from other people will be stored. Let's explore how to install Go binaries in Linux, Windows, and OS X. For a detailed explanation of how to install the latest version of Go, you can refer to the official documentation at golang.org, which you see on your screen. Now, to install Go in Linux, you have two options. The easy option is to use your distribution package manager. That is, Fedora CentOS users can use this command: sudo y yum install -y golang. For Ubuntu or Debian users using apt could use this command at the terminal: sudo apt-get install -y golang. Next, the advanced option includes downloading the latest distribution from golang.org website, which you see on your screen. I recommend using the second option, that is, the advanced option, and downloading a distribution. Go's updates maintains backward compatibility, and you usually should not be worried about updating your Go binaries frequently. Let's start with Go Linux Advanced Installation. The advanced installation of Go in Linux requires you to download the binaries from Golang web page. After entering https://golang.org, click the Download Go button, which you'll usually find on the right. Some featured downloads option is available for each distribution, so let's download for Linux. Select Linux distribution to download the latest stable version. At the same web link, you can also download beta versions of the language. Cool, it's done. Since we have saved the tar.gz file in Downloads folder, so let's extract it and move it to a different path. By convention, Go binaries are usually placed in user/local/Go directory. First, move to the directory, which I mentioned previously. Let's move to the Downloads directory and then type tar-zxvf go 1.8.linux-amd64.tar.gz. As you can see, all the necessary packages have been installed. Awesome! We've extracted all the files. Now let's execute the command to move it to the user/local/Go path. Now we have our Go installation in the user/local/Go path. So now we have to add the bin subfolder to our path and the bin folder within our Go path. Let's create a directory. Use the make directory command. With -p, we are telling bash to create all directories that are necessary. Now we need to append bin folder paths to our path. Append these lines at the end of your .bash rc. Let's open bash rc file. Here's the .bash rc file. Let's add a line of code for the path at the end of the file. Now, save it. Now, check that our Go bin directory is available. Execute the command go version. So, you can see that the Go version 1.8.linux is now ready. Superb. To install Go in Windows, you will need administrator privileges. Open your favorite browser and navigate to https://golang.org. Once there, click the Download Go button and select Microsoft Windows distribution, that is .msi file. As you click on this link, an *.msi file will start downloading. it takes some time. OK. Execute the MSI installer by double-clicking it. An installer will appear asking you to accept the end-user license agreement. Click on Next and select a target folder for your installation. We will continue with the default path that in my case is C:\Go. And now click on Install. Let's wait for the installation to complete. Finally, click on the Finish button. Once the installation is finished, you will have to add the binary Go folder, located in C:\Go bin to your path. For this, you must go to Control Panel and select System Options. Once in System, select the Advanced tab and click the Environment Variables button. Here you'll find a window with variables for your current user and system variables. In System Variables, you'll find the Path variable. Click it and click the Edit button to open a text box. You can add your path by adding ;C:\Go/bin at the end of the current line. Note the semicolon at the beginning of the path. In recent Windows versions like Windows 10, you will have a manager to add variables easily. Now let's set the workplace. So, Go will always work under the same workspace. This helps the compiler to find packages and libraries that you could be using. This workspace is commonly called Go path. Go path has a very important role in your working environment while developing Go software. When you import a library in your code, it will search for this library in your Go path/source. The same when you install some Go apps. Binaries will be stored in Go path/bin folder. At the same time, all your source code must be stored in a valid root within Go path/source folder. For example, I store my projects in GitHub and my username is Saden, so for a project called Minimal MESOS Go Framework, I will have this folder structure, like Go path/source github.com/Saden/minimal-mesos Go Framework, which reflects the URL where this repository is stored at GitHub, as you can see here. At the terminal, let's execute the command make directory -p home/go. Now, the home Go path is going to be the destination of our Go path. We have to set an environment variable within our Go path pointing to this folder. To set the environment variable, open again the file home/.bashrc with your favorite text editor and add this line at the end of it. Save the file and close it. Now open a new terminal. To check that everything is working, just write an echo to the Go path variable like this. Cool. If the output of the preceding command points to your chosen Go path, everything is correct and you can continue to write your first program. In this video, we saw how to install Go on our machine and set our workplace. In the next video, we will learn to write a simple program in Go to display Hello World.